Aesthetic grids only work when every detail feels consistent and intentional. Today, how to design aesthetic grids. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert a grid frame layout from elements and stretch it evenly across the canvas. Upload your images and drag them into each section, adjusting cropping carefully so all visuals match in tone. Increase spacing slightly between grid cells to create clean separation. Select the background and apply a soft pastel or neutral shade. Adjust brightness and contrast of each image slightly to maintain harmony. Add minimal text using a light or serif font and place it carefully within the layout. Use position